Okay, everyone, welcome to, I believe this would be our first edition of a Jeco site walkthrough. Haven't been able to do too many of these, so I thought we'd show you around to one of the biggest projects we've done on site to date. This is for our friends at Barham Contracting, and starting up here on the very top atrium floor, we did all of the railing around here, these posts, and of course the railing down. This is a renovation, by the way, not new construction. Okay, as well, throughout this house, you're gonna see these are stone casings here, very unique, but we had to refinish all of the jambs. They were actually cherry veneer, so it was a bit of a challenge, really dried out. So there's over 80 passage doors in this house. So you can imagine these jambs, we had to get these all done. And throughout the whole house, and then we did new cabinetry. Those were done in the shop. We also had some stuff that was refinished. We'll show you that. So here's an example of some of the cabinetry that was refinished. All of the doors were repurposed. These were also used to be cherry veneer. So we refinished everything, as well as this bar, the elevator doors, which are still currently in our shop. This has 3/4 floor elevator, and all of this in here was repurposed and refinished. Master walk-in closet, and this all here. All right, this area here was an addition onto the original house over top of the garage, quite a large one in fact. So all of this new cabinetry and millwork was finished in our shop beforehand. But we did all of the jambs, frames, and doors up here to match everything else. But all the millwork in here is brand new. And